Hi everybody! Today we are going to play with the PLaymobil City Life playground set. It has 83 pieces and is for ages from 4 to 10 years old.
Are you ready to open the box?
Yes.
Okay, now let's open it. Let's go! This is my new playground.
This is a new playground.
Yes!
This is a PLaymobil playground set toy.
It is.
We have to find these pieces. Yes, little super scissors.
Super scissors! Amigos, are you ready to see it?
This is a super scissors. Just putting the little flowers over the leaves.
I did it.
So now, just one more, and you will finish with the flowers.
Go see. That's what it means. I did.
Okay, so now, what else? You have to put this one, Olivia, right here as the instructions say.
Here.
Right, that's right. And now this one goes, where it goes?
Here.
Right there. Very good. You are following the instructions very well.
Now let's see.
What are you doing? Oh, I see you have here the next pieces. Okay, we have to find all these pieces. I think this is the bridge.
Great, Mickey.
Okay, so we have this. We need 3 pieces right here.
Yo tengo las 3 piezas.
¿Tú tienes? You have the 3 pieces, you say?
This is 1. This is 2. This is 3.
Very good.
Now they're free.
3 pieces. Okay. So now we are going to put here.
One is sauce. Now they're 1.
We have to follow the instructions. Right there. Right there.
I did it.
You did it. Very good. Here you have 3 points. 3 holes. 1, 2, 3. Now you have to put the base over the grass. Very good, Olivia. You did a good job. What colors are these, Olivia?
So there is 2 green colors. This is a polygon.
Oh, a polygon it has 5 sides. Let's count together. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
3, 4, 5.
Very good. And what color is this, Olivia?
Yellow.
Color yellow. And we have here another color.
Brown.
And this piece is color.
Red.
Okay. And the slide. What color is the slide of your tree house?
Blue.
That's right. In Spanish we say
Azul.
azul. And green we say in Spanish
Ave es
verde.
verde.
And the color yellow, how do you say yellow in Spanish?
Let's see. Amarillo.
Very good.
I think it.
And what color is this? How do you say?
Rojo.
Rojo. Yes, red is rojo in Spanish. And the last one?
Is
This is color brown.
brown.
I don't think you know that one. In Spanish is café.
Café.
That's right. Let's continue putting everything together.
This polygon go here.
I am putting together the bridge. Why?
Okay, that's
have here the pieces, put together the shape, okay? So we have to do first, first of all, snap this. Put this together, now the other. We will, on the sleeve, put together the second one, like this. It's quite a good. Now like to show us. We have to put it over here. Now we have our sleeve, look at our sleeve, Olivia. Hey! Okay, put that on. Now we have to assemble the house, the walls, and the roof.
Mia!
Wow! It's swinging! Papa is swinging!
The papa is swinging. Papa is swinging.
Hello, Papa.
Hola, amigo, Mickey.
Are you happy? This is a polygon shape. It's 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Why is the roof is broken?
I don't know. It's like that. It's just a house for the playground. Now we have the little house, the tree house. We have to put it over the base. Now we have to assemble the hedgehog flag. It came with a cute sticker. Now Olivia is placing the hedgehog sticker on the flag in every side. Now Olivia is placing the flag next to the little house. Now I'm putting together the 3 pieces. We have here some branches and leaves. You have to put the flowers here, next to the tree. Very good. And now I'm putting together the bicycle with 2 wheels, in the front and in the back, and the little stroller with the handles and the 4 little wheels. 1 wheel, 2, 3, and 4. 4 wheels. Baby, now has his stroller. Here you are, little baby. I have this dragon. I think there is a dragon. I don't know what it is.
Seahorse.
Seahorse.
Mama, this arm is talking in the phone, and this arm is carrying the baby. He's talking in the phone. And also this one. Teddy's turn. Papa's turn. Whoa!
Now you can put the butterflies over the tree. Where are you trying to?
Trying to put the bird on the tree.
Beautiful butterfly on the tree.
There.
Okay, we have the butterfly on the tree. We have another butterfly. Maybe you can put it over here. That's empty here.
I guess the bird doesn't like to be up here. I guess the bird doesn't like to be up here.
Why?
Because it's definitely dangerous. Mama,
This is the watch for the papa. You see, it's very little. It's papa's watch. I have to put it over here. No, like the picture, you see? And I am placing now the climber. That's the last piece. Hello, do you like this playground? Oh, looks great, Olivia. Let's see. Now you are playing with a family. You have here the tree with the bird, and the butterfly, and the little flowers, the flag with the hedgehog, the stroller for the little baby, and the bicycle. You have here something like, looks like a dragon swim. And the Papa is sleeping. Wake up, Papa. Oh, he's sleeping, the little baby. What do you think? He can climb over here. Now you can play with your little toys, Olivia. You can have so much fun. Here you have some water to water the little flowers too.
I can do it. Woo! I got something. Flowers, pink flowers, Dad.
Oh yes, you can water the little flowers. They need some water and sun.
Alright, now let's play them. Ooh, I got an apple. No,
Oh, the baby must be hungry. Maybe we can give him some.
No, there's one apple.
Careful, Lizzie. How we get the apple that is on the tree, so we can share all of us. Here is the delicious red apple. Oh no, Lizzie, you woke up the little baby. Oh no. Come on here, little baby, don't cry. Come here with Papa. We say Papa in English. In Spanish, we say Papa.
Mama, the baby. Mama, the...
Brother. In Spanish, we say hermano. And sister. In Spanish, we say hermana. And baby. In Spanish, we say bebé. Okay, Olivia, we have to say goodbye. Thanks for watching, my friends.
Thanks for watching.
Suddenly something happened. Oh, there's a big dinosaur. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.
Right now.
Thank you.